Hi, I'm Dennis Hansen. This is my Speed 4. It's kind of broke right now. I've been working on it, and I still have quite a bit of gas in the tank. It's hard to drain these, so started fooling around with it, and come to find out on these snap fittings, you can push this lever a little bit and then push up this pin in, and that will allow you to, if you do it right, I didn't do it right, it's still exposed a little bit, but you can pull the lever out. Now, it didn't really gain me anything because I put a wrench on this one and of course it snapped off, but it's just one less thing to be in your way. Okay, so you can see it's pretty much, I got a lot of it out and it's still turning freely. I am prepared in case it comes gushing out, but I don't think that's going to happen because the fuel pump and the filter's right there. Okay, so it did come out, no problem. I think I'm alright there. So now I'm going to have to loosen up this plate, get the rest of the gas out of here. So I cracked, I think, these 4 nuts here and just loosen them up a little bit, get the slow drain going on. Alright, so after letting it drain, I pulled out that fuel pump and the assembly with the filter, and I think the trick with this one was that there was I believe it was this corner or something would hang up if you tried to pull the pump straight out. So what you want to do is you want to maneuver this so that this part comes out, and then you can turn it and the rest will follow. But as far as this goes, it looks pretty good. I don't see a lot of sediment in there, so I think that one's probably okay. I'm going to put a new fuel filter on, and that hose, I see a little bit of cracking, so I think I'm going to look for that size hose and probably do all 3 of those. That's it for this one. I got parts on order, and we'll see, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.